home upgrades would increase your home's value? When preparing your house for sale, you may be led to believe that the more upgrades you make, the higher the price you can list at. However, not all home upgrades are created equal. To answer this question, we have to take into consideration changes that happened in the past few years. And in response to the pandemic, there are now certain features in a home that have become much more attractive to buyers. In particular, there are 3 projects you may want to take on. Number 1 is add more usable square footage. According to a 2020 survey by HomeLight, the need for more space was among the top reasons why people move. Projects such as creating a home office or building an open floor plan and finishing your basement can provide that additional space. Number 2 is improve your curb appeal. One of the best ways to improve your home's curb appeal is by focusing on your landscaping. Make your home look more enticing by adding healthy plants and blooming flowers, or to make even more of a statement, slap a fresh coat of paint on your house's exterior. Not all changes have to be really big. Sometimes small details like updating your mailbox and house number will catch the attention of buyers. Another thing you can do is upgrade your outdoor space. Functional outdoor spaces such as a deck, fireplace, or outdoor kitchen are now more valued due to the pandemic. If your home has a nice exterior living area, buyers can probably imagine themselves enjoying the fresh air as they indulge in outdoor activities. If you already have an outdoor area, pressure wash it or make repairs if necessary for a low-cost way to improve your home's value. Thanks for watching. See you next time.